Hello and assalamu alaikum. In the coming videos I will be starting Python tutorials. So before that I will be setting up my IDE. So you just have to go to Google and type PyCharm. Basically you are searching for PyCharm, so you can type anything like PyCharm download. Okay, you will see a website that is jetbrains.com. You'll just have to go to that website. Okay, so here you can see two versions of PyCharm. One is professional and the other one is community version. So I am basically downloading the community version. I have already downloaded the file, so I'll just go to that file. Okay, so here it is. I will just run it. Okay, so let's start with the installation. It will take some time. Okay, so I'll just click next and you can select the destination folder where you want to install your PyCharm. Okay, so these are some options you can select accordingly. Okay, so there is an option here that is add open folder as project. This option will occur in your right click. When you right click, so you see a context menu. This option will be added there, just like here, somewhere here. Okay, so I'll just select the options and I'll click next. Okay, so next, and the installation will start. It will take some time. Okay, so we will wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so once the installation is complete, you will be asked to reboot your computer. I have already done it. Okay, so now let's open PyCharm. Okay, so I'll just open a new project. I'll select the location. Quickly, you just have to remember the location where you are saving your projects. So I'll just give it a proper location. Okay, so it looks fine. Okay, so we'll wait for the project to be created. Okay, so when the project will be created, there will be a default file named main.py and there will be some pre-written code for the convenience. Okay, so I'll just check if the code is running properly. I'll just simply execute a simple command. Okay, so I will run it. Okay, so here you can see the output. So this was it for today. In the coming videos I will be starting up with the Python tutorials. If you have any confusion, you can just comment down. I will make sure to reply. Thank you.